Hello everyone, this is Salk and today we will talk about IP subnetting. But before we start subnetting, we should know something about IP address. An IP address of 32-bit binary number have 4 octets. IP address has two components, that is network and a host address. IP address uses the concept of classes. The address space is divided into 5 classes on the basis of number of host bits, and each class can be identified by looking at the first few bits of the IP address. This table shows leftmost bits starting IP address and last IP address of each class. In these given question, we can find their classes by looking at the first few bits of the given address. To create subnet address, a network administrator borrows bits from the original host portion and designates them as the subnet field. Subnet mask is made by setting network bits and borrowed bits to 1 and all remaining host bits to 0. In class C, if we have CID value /25, which means we borrow 1 bit from the host and its decimal equivalent will be 128. In this question, we have CID value 26, which shows it has 26 mask bits out of 32. So subnet mask will be 255.255.255.192. K equals to 2 shows number of borrowed bits from the host portion, and these bits will form number of subnets, and remaining bits in the host portion shows number of hosts per subnet. Here we have 4 subnets and 62 hosts per subnets, and block size is equal to 256 minus subnet mask, that is 192, so block size is 64. In number of hosts per subnet, we subtract 2 because network ID and broadcast ID are not the valid host. In this way, we will assign the 4 subnets to the 4 different switches through a single router. Similarly, in this question, we have CID value 27, which shows it has 27 mask bits out of 32. So subnet mask will be 255.255.255.224. K equals to 3 shows number of borrowed bits from host portion, and these bits will form a number of subnets, and remaining bits in the host portion shows number of hosts per subnets. Here we have 8 subnets and 30 hosts per subnet. The block size is equal to 256 minus subnet mask, that is 224, so block size is 32. In number of hosts or subnet, we subtract 2 because network ID and broadcast ID are not the valid host. This is it. Thank you for watching the video.